If you've ever accidentally deleted an important file in Google Drive, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover deleted files in Google Drive quickly and easily. This is one of the most useful skills to know because sometimes a file gets removed by mistake, and all you need is a few simple clicks to bring it back. Whether it's a document, spreadsheet, presentation, or any other file, Google Drive gives you a built-in way to restore it from the trash before it's gone for good. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Google Drive tips and software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Once you're on Google Drive, sign in with the Google account that contains the deleted file. If you're not already logged in, use the account connected to the drive where the file was originally stored, because that's where the trash folder will be. After you're signed in, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see the main sections for Google Drive, and the next step is to click on Trash. This is where deleted files are stored temporarily before they are permanently removed. When you open Trash, you'll see a list of items that were deleted from your drive. Now take a moment to look through the list and find the file you want to recover. If you have a lot of deleted files, you can scroll carefully or use the search bar if available in your view. Once you find the file, click on it to select it. After selecting the file, look toward the top of the screen for the Restore from Trash option. This may appear as a restore icon or a menu option, depending on your device and browser window. Click Restore from Trash and Google Drive will immediately move the file back to its original location in My Drive. This is the important part. Restoring a file does not create a new copy. It simply brings the original file back to where it was before deletion. Next, go back to My Drive to confirm the file has been recovered. You should now see the file back in your drive, ready to open, edit, or share again. If the file was part of a shared folder or team folder, it may return to that original location as well, depending on how it was deleted. And that's it. You've successfully recovered a deleted file in Google Drive. Just remember that files in trash are usually only kept for a limited time before they're permanently deleted, so the sooner you restore it, the better. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.